My fellow laterality researcher Russell Mears asserts that the brain's right side creates an inner, emotionally laden experience and a self-system that generates a background state of well-being. This hemispheric asymmetry model of a positive sense of self is supported by recent neuroimaging research showing that myelinated white matter tracks exclusively in the right hemisphere correlate with personality profiles predictive of subjective well-being and optimism. These latter authors report, the right hemisphere has been involved in a variety of integrative phenomena, including helping the implicit self maintain a positivity bias. The implicit self is a highly integrative construct that processes vast amounts of self-relevant information. Because personal experiences are inherently perceived as positive in healthy individuals, a functional implicit self is critical in maintaining a positivity bias by assimilating negative affective experiences within a network of predominantly positive experiences. Due to this holistic nature, the implicit self is believed to be a function of the right hemisphere. Our study thus supports previous findings that the right hemisphere is necessary for healthy individuals to express their positivity bias. Furthermore, in the early critical period of right brain maturation from the last trimester of pregnancy through the second year, interactive emotional experiences within the mother-child relationship may be regulated or dysregulated, imprinting either secure or insecure attachments with a negatively biased self. Modern attachment theory explicates the interpersonal processes that shape, for better or worse, the survival functions of the right brain. Developmental neuroscience now clearly demonstrates that all children are not resilient but malleable. In a 2011 editorial on an entire issue of the Journal of Child Psychology and Psychiatry titled Developmental Neuroscience Comes of Age, these authors describe the phenomenal progress of the past 3 decades of research and assert that a scientific consensus is emerging that the origins of adult disease are often found among developmental and biological disruptions occurring during the early years of life, alluding to a paradigm shift they confidently state. Over the past decade, it has also become abundantly clear that in addition to the remarkable cascade of genetic, molecular, and cellular events that ultimately lead to the formation of the billions of neurons that inhabit the human neocortex, the in utero and immediate postnatal environments, and the dyadic relations between child and caregivers within the first years of life can have direct and enduring effects on the child's brain development and behavior.